In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the FreshBooks accounting software. Whether you're a small business owner or someone needing a reliable accounting solution, FreshBooks is an excellent choice. Now, this isn't your typical download. It involves accessing the software through your web browser, mobile device, or by using a desktop app wrapper. Let's walk through the process together. To kick things off, you'll want to access FreshBooks through the web since it's primarily a web-based platform. Begin by navigating to the FreshBooks website. Here you can either sign up directly on the site for a free trial, which gives you 30 days to explore all their features, or you may choose to download the mobile application. If you prefer using your smartphone or tablet, simply head to the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the Apple App Store if you're on iOS, and search for the FreshBooks invoicing app. Decide how you'd like to get started. For this demonstration, let's go with starting a free trial on the website. You'll see an option that says Try FreshBooks for free. Click on it and begin the registration by entering your email address and creating a password. Make sure it's a strong password that you'll easily remember. Once you've completed this step, go to your email inbox and look for a verification message from FreshBooks. This might take a few minutes, so hang tight and remember to check your spam folder if it's delayed. This verification step is crucial to ensure the privacy and security of your account. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fill in some business details. This includes information such as your business name, category, and estimated revenue. If you're starting FreshBooks for the first time, they might ask for credit card details to ensure they can start your subscription once the trial ends. Don't worry, they won't charge you until your trial period is over. With everything set up, you can now dive into FreshBooks' features, such as creating invoices, tracking expenses, and managing projects, all designed to make your accounting tasks more straightforward. For those who prefer a more desktop-like experience, there's the option to use a tool called Web Catalog. First, download Web Catalog Desktop from its website. Once installed, you can open it up, search for FreshBooks within Web Catalog, and use this to create a standalone application. This allows FreshBooks to run in a distraction-free window, mimicking a desktop app environment. And there you have it. Whether through your browser, smartphone, or desktop setup, you now have FreshBooks ready to streamline your accounting processes. I hope this walkthrough makes starting with FreshBooks seamless and intuitive for you. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.